You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is y equals -4. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 4 from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the y. Divide both sides by -2. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. And so the final result is y equals -4.